Hello everyone, and thank you for watching this quick video on shop fees. My name is Daniel, and to jump into it, we are going to navigate to shop settings. Once in shop settings, you want to navigate to RO settings. Then you want to choose shop supplies right underneath the label rates. And here you can create as many fees as you need, whether it's battery disposal, tire disposal, storage, dirty car fee, or the big one, the most popular, shop supplies. So let's talk about shop supplies. Shop supplies we typically add on to every repair order, and we charge a certain percentage. So here I have it auto applied to repair orders. I titled it. It's going to be a percentage. What am I calculating it on? Labor, parts, and sublets. We're going to calculate 8.5% with a $99 cap, and we are able to tax it in the state I'm currently in. So how would you set that up? Well, you would hit the add fee button, decide that you want to tackle it to ROs, you would title it, choose your percentage, decide what you want to calculate it on, and then put your numbers in there. To get rid of a fee, if you don't need it anymore, hit the X and it's gone. Now there are some other fees that we use in the service department that aren't auto applied, like battery disposal fees. If you sell a battery, a lot of times we have to take the old unit, charge them $3, then hand that over some sort of environmental fee depending on what state you're in. Since we don't sell a battery on every transaction, I'm going to choose none, so I can pick and choose it when it's time to sell that battery. It's going to be a fixed rate, no percentage, so we don't have to calculate it on anything, but we're going to charge $3, and it's non-taxable in the state I'm currently in. Now tires is its own unique method. Here, you want to put none unless you're selling tires on every transaction, unless you're a tire shop, which you may not be. So choose none. Pick and choose when you sell that tire. Title it, and then as the method goes, you can physically choose tires. So if you sell one tire, it's going to be $3. If you sell $2, it's going to be $6. And if you sell 4, it's going to be $12. If it's 18, it's going to be that much. Now, one thing to remember, in order for this to work, a tire has to be a tire. A tire is not a part, and a part is not a battery, and a battery is not a tire. So when you're on the repair order, make sure you specify it's a tire so it can track your tire disposal fee. Other than that, that's it. Go crazy. Add as many fees as you need and delete the ones you don't. Once you're done, hit save and keep on trucking. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.